It is the 19th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about the arrest of the Tate brothers. 3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, Chelsea trouve un accord à 117 millions pour Morgan Rogers. Chelsea finds an agreement at £117 million for Morgan Rogers. Des ingénieurs montrent un petit robot qui vole et nage. Engineers show a small robot that flies and swims. Le chef de la Fed de Chicago visite Snap-on. The head of the Chicago Fed visits Snap-on. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Andrew et Tristan Tate are the two names. Sont arrêtés means are arrested. À Miami means in Miami. So the headline says, Andrew and Tristan Tate are arrested in Miami. One useful pattern here is sont arrêtés. French often use être plus a past participle to describe what happens to someone. Andrew et Tristan Tate sont arrêtés à Miami. Andrew and Tristan Tate are arrested in Miami. Arrêter comes from arrêter, to arrest. In the headline, French uses sont plus arrêtés to show what happened to them. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Les deux frères sont aux États-Unis. The two brothers are in the United States. États-Unis is the country name in this story. Notice that French uses the plural form here. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le Royaume-Uni veut leur extradition. The United Kingdom wants their extradition. Leur points back to the two brothers, so it helps French avoid repeating their names. L'affaire parle de viol et de traite sexuelle. The case is about rape and sex trafficking. Affaire is a formal news word. You will often see it in legal and political stories. Les deux hommes vont au tribunal fédéral à Miami. The two men are going to federal court in Miami. Today's word is tribunal. Say it with me. Tribunal. Listen for the clear final. L sound. Now for the pattern of the day. Arrêter, to arrest, to stop. J'arrête. Tu arrêtes. Il arrête. Nous arrêtons. Vous arrêtez. Ils arrêtent. The headline uses the same verb family in arrêter. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Andrew et Tristan Tate sont arrêtés à Miami. Before you go, one question from today's story. Where are Andrew and Tristan Tate arrested? Is it A à Miami, aux États-Unis? Or c'est au tribunal fédéral. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.